Hello, this is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2004 Volkswagen Phaeton W12. The W12 is 12 cylinders, and it's all-wheel drive, very ahead of its time. The BMWs and Mercedes did not have a all-wheel drive 12-cylinder car at that time. This was the most expensive VW you could buy. It's shared the platform with Bentley. The color is black, solid black, and it has a special clear coat. It was a $2,000 option. Has air suspension, really smooth ride, lots of power, handles great. There are different settings. You can put it in a sports setting or a comfort setting. Very luxurious interior. And it's in fantastic condition. The wood grain is beautiful. The leather is excellent. Very well kept. Power moonroof with power shade. This car has just a huge amount of options and details. Lots of room in the back seat. It's a stretched body. Rear climate control. Even the door handles are wood, trimmed with wood. Has built-in shades in the side windows and a power shade in the back. The vents on the dash are power. They open up when you start the vehicle. The body's in beautiful condition. It's not scratched or dinged up. Open up the trunk for you. Comes with numerous sets of floor mats, car cover, has a full-size spare. And these are the most industrial-looking trunk hinges you'll ever see. They are pretty much a work of art. These are the original wheels, the factory wheels. Has Continental tires. Everything's power. Very unique automobile. There were approximately only 500 of the 12-cylinder versions of the Phaeton. So hard to find, and this one's in fantastic condition, and it's got low miles. Thank you for looking in. Please give us a call if you'd like more information.